We know the formula for average rate of change equals to FB minus FA over B minus A. Now, for the first interval that is given -3 to 0, we shall consider A as -3 and B as 0. So, using the formula f of B minus f of A whole over 0 minus minus 3, and this value is given as 1. We have f of 0 minus f of -3 over 3 equals to 1, and then multiplying both the sides by 3, we get f of 0 minus f of -3 equals to 3. Coming on to the next change that is given, we have the interval from 0 to 3, so we shall consider A as 0, B as 3, and so f of 3 minus f of 0 over 3 minus 0 is equal to 5. We get f of 3 minus f of 0 over 3 is equal to 5. So f of 3 minus f of 0 should be equal to 15. Now, once we know these values, let us understand the quadratic functions differences. We know the values of x, and then we have fx. Now, the value of x, if we consider as -3, then 0, then 3, and then 6. Now, the difference between, we shall take this as the first difference. Now, the first difference, that is this value minus this value. The first difference, f0 minus f3, we got as 3. The second difference, we have f3 minus f0, which is 15. Now, for a quadratic function, the second differences must be equal. So, the second difference between these two will be 15 minus 3, that is 12. And so, the second difference between this and this value, suppose this is A, should be 12. That means A minus 15 should be 12, and so A should be equal to 27. That means the difference between this and this value must be 27. And so f of 6 minus f of 3 should be equal to 27. Now, for the average rate of change, we should have f6 minus f3 over 6 minus 3. Now, that is 27 over 3, and that's equal to 9. So, the average rate of change in the interval 3 to 6 must be 9. Thank you for watching.